Bonjour, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm Arushi and I'm a solo traveler exploring every country bit by bit. So I will be sharing some great travel tips with you, information, amazing views and whatnot, maybe some hidden gems of the cities which I love to explore. So today I have landed at Paris airport, Charles de Gaulle. It's freezing here, it's like 2 degrees outside and I'm just waiting for my train. So we'll be heading to my hotel soon. I have booked this Ibis budget hotel and I will be soon sharing some photos and videos of my hotel room and everything. So yeah, stay tuned, please like and subscribe my channel. So guys, I hope you liked my vlog and loved my videos. Please share your views, comments and like and subscribe my channel. Mercy. Thank you.